Windows are a vital part of any home, offering natural light, ventilation, and an aesthetic connection to the outdoors. However, keeping windows in excellent condition in Gilbert, Arizona, where heat, dust, and intense sunlight are common, can be challenging. Proper window maintenance not only preserves their functionality and appearance but also improves energy efficiency and extends the life of your windows. Here are some top tips for maintaining your windows effectively in Gilbert's unique climate. Regular cleaning to combat dust and dirt. Gilbert's dry, desert climate means that dust and dirt build up quickly, especially on exterior window surfaces. To keep your windows looking clear and prevent the buildup of grime that can scratch glass over time, make it a habit to clean your windows regularly. Use a soft cloth, a mild window cleaner, and water. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage window frames or seals. For best results, rinse with water and wipe dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. Check for air leaks and reseal as needed. In a climate as warm as Gilbert's, even small air leaks can increase energy bills by allowing cooled air to escape. To prevent this, check your windows for drafts regularly. Place your hand around the edges of each window. If you feel air coming through, it may be time to reseal. Use weather stripping or caulk to fill in gaps around frames and sashes. This simple step can make your home more energy efficient, saving you money in the long run. Inspect and clean window tracks and frames. Dust and debris often accumulate in window tracks and frames, causing windows to stick or making it harder to open and close them. To keep windows functioning smoothly, vacuum or wipe out dirt from tracks and frames every few months. For sliding windows, use a silicone-based lubricant on the tracks to make movement easier. Be cautious with oils and heavy lubricants, as they can attract more dirt. Protect your windows from UV damage. Intense sunlight can cause fading and deterioration of window frames, especially wooden ones. For frames exposed to direct sunlight, consider applying a protective UV sealant to help prevent discoloration and warping. Window films or shades are also great solutions that not only protect frames and interior furnishings but also reduce heat from entering your home. Window tinting services can add an extra layer of UV protection, especially on windows with full sun exposure. Regularly check and replace weather stripping. Weather stripping provides a seal between the window sash and frame, helping to keep out dust, moisture, and outdoor air. Over time, weather stripping can wear out due to exposure to heat and dust. Check it at least once a year and replace any cracked or worn-out strips. Weather stripping maintenance ensures a tight seal, improves energy efficiency, and keeps windows more resistant to outside elements. Inspect window screens for damage. Window screens are essential for keeping insects and debris out when windows are open, but they can tear or warp over time. Gilbert's high temperatures and occasional dust storms can be hard on screens, making them prone to damage. Inspect screens regularly and repair any small tears with screen repair patches or replace the screen entirely if needed. Keeping screens in good shape not only protects your home but also allows fresh air in without compromising on cleanliness. Check for condensation or moisture buildup. In the cooler months, condensation can form between window panes or on glass surfaces. While some condensation is natural, especially during temperature shifts, excessive moisture could indicate a problem with window seals. When seals fail, they allow moisture to enter, reducing insulation and fogging up the glass. If you notice condensation between panes, it may be time to repair or replace the window to prevent further energy loss and maintain a clear view. Keep window locks and hardware in good condition. Locks, latches, and hinges are critical components that keep your windows secure. Over time, dust buildup or rusting can cause these mechanisms to jam. Wipe down and lubricate locks, latches, and hinges periodically to ensure they work smoothly. Tighten any loose screws and replace worn-out hardware if needed. Regularly maintaining these components extends the life of your windows and enhances security. Consider annual professional inspection. Professional window inspections can help identify potential issues before they become costly problems. Many window repair companies offer maintenance services to inspect seals, frames, glass, and screens. An annual inspection is especially beneficial if your windows are older, as it can spot issues that may affect performance and energy efficiency. Mind your landscaping. Desert landscaping often involves gravel, sand, and other small particles that can easily get picked up by the wind and scratch your windows. Keep shrubs, rocks, and trees trimmed back from windows to minimize direct exposure to dirt and debris. Regularly hosing down the exterior area around windows can also reduce dust, keeping your windows cleaner for longer. Maintaining your windows in Gilbert, Arizona, doesn't have to be a daunting task. With regular care, you can keep them looking great, improve energy efficiency, and extend their lifespan. Simple steps like cleaning, inspecting for leaks, and caring for hardware make a significant difference in how your windows perform. By taking the time to care for your windows, you'll enjoy clearer views, a more comfortable home, and potentially lower energy bills. If you ever need professional help, consider scheduling a maintenance visit with a local window expert to keep your windows in top shape year-round.